Hi guys, David Lewis, biology teacher at the Academy. I just want to let you know about the changes for the 2021 exam. I'm sure some of you guys already know about it, but some of you guys might leverage this to your advantage in your study. Now, as we are aware already, having an exam plan for biology is crucial to obtain a really top grade. It means that you get more return for less study time. Realistically, we're working smart. Now, this year, for 2021, originally they'd already added a couple of questions to the exam, namely in Section A, they added a question, and in Section C. That actually gave us a little bit more choice and a little bit more scope in terms of what chapters we're really going to focus on. In the last couple of days, they've actually given us even more choice. In fact, we have to answer less questions. The time element for the exam is the exact same. But if you let me go through the questions with you, I really think that this will aid you, I suppose, in your study over the coming weeks. So if we go with Section A, B and C. Section A people call the short questions. We know in 2021 there are 7 questions. We previously had to answer 5, but now we only have to answer 4 of those questions. For Section B, we've known for some time where the experiments for question 8, 9 and 10 were actually coming from what chapters. We usually have to answer 2 out of 3. That was meant to be the same for this year, but now we only have to answer 1 out of 3 of the experiments. Okay, for Section C, what we are looking at here is the long questions, or what students would call the long questions. There were 7 questions available to us. The last 2, which actually had choice in it themselves, I'll talk about that in a second, but of those 7 questions, we only have to answer 3 of those. Now, in the very last part, if you pick one of the last 2 questions, you decide those last 2 questions are ones that I'm going to do, questions 16 and question 17. If you decide to do one of those, there is a section A, B, C and D. You only have to do 2 of those parts. So realistically, what we're looking at here is we're looking at an exam where we're answering 8 out of 17 questions. So you can now set yourself up appropriately based on this. So hope that helps, guys. Any questions at all, just please feel free to contact the Academy. Other than that, chat soon.